Welcome to All American Trailers. The ED Trailers 7x12 dump trailer with ramps, tarp, and 7GO. Floor 01045 is a heavy-duty and versatile trailer designed to handle various hauling needs. Its sturdy construction and reliable features make it a reliable choice for professionals and individuals alike. This trailer features an 8I-beam mainframe frame, ensuring durability and stability during transportation. The 36 tall tongue and 12-gauge formed steel sides with square tube supports provide extra strength and support to the trailer. With an interior box width of 83, there is plenty of space to accommodate large items and ensure convenient loading and unloading. The 7GO steel deck offers exceptional strength and longevity, allowing users to carry heavy loads without worrying about damage. The trailer comes with a 2.5/1.6 adjustable height coupler, providing flexibility to fit various towing vehicles. Dual safety chains with snap hooks ensure a secure connection between the trailer and the towing vehicle. For easy maneuverability and stability, the trailer is equipped with a 10,000-pound drop leg jack and 9 wide DP steel fenders. The 2 to 7,000-pound EZ lube axles, with a 14,000 lbs GVWR, ensure superior performance and load-bearing capacity. ST235/80 are 16 trailer radials, mounted on 8-volt white wheels, provide reliable traction and durability. The trailer's suspension system features an equalized slipper spring straight axle suspension, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Furthermore, the 4-wheel 12 electric drum brakes, equipped with a breakaway kit, enhance safety during braking. The barn door's forward/spread gate design allows for convenient loading and unloading of materials. Included with the trailer are 6 long, 3 heavy service ramps with a carrier, ensuring easy access to the bed. Stake pockets and floor-mounted D-rings offer versatility and secure attachment points for cargo. Additionally, the scissor lift is a dual-purpose feature, providing efficient dumping capabilities and housing an oversized pump and toolbox. To enhance convenience and functionality, the trailer comes with a weatherproof 2-button remote for easy control. A 12V deep cycle battery and a 12V trickle charger ensure uninterrupted power supply. Full LED.compliant lighting ensures visibility and safety on the road, while the cold weather wiring harness ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. For added protection and security, the trailer includes a roll-up tarp and shroud with an anti-sail bar. The trailer price includes dealer handling, providing customers with a straightforward purchasing experience. It is important to note that all deposits on trailers are non-refundable, so buyers should review their options carefully before finalizing their purchase.